I just want to get it. Damn it, it's going too fast. Now if I hold it there, it pissed the car off. So now I'm just looking to see who potentially made any mistakes during the assembly process. Any kind of wires touching the ground or pulled out of the connector. Yeah. I'm gonna need you to cooperate, my friend. Thanks. Alright. Those look terrible. Just the placement of them, they're all to one side. God damn. I missed radios with knobs on them. Lord have mercy. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything right offhand. Let's try this again. Let's double check the pin fitment. Alright. So it's not in there. Which means it's going to be further along down the trail. So let's just try to reestablish the correct resistance values and not blow up. Alright, still there. Let's get the clamshell out of the way. God damn, He-Man. He really shoved that sucker in there, huh? Yeah. Whatever. Okay, dokie. What else is left? So a lot of times if you just press on it, not gently, you can get it to pop free. Let's see. Okay. Now remember, I still want to see a change. I'm just too lazy to go grab the other torque bits. Struggle like all the other people's. Alright. Turn to center. It just falls on out of there, huh? Well, you can stay there for a little bit. I don't care. Oh, she goes way up in there. Alright, I care now. Excuse me. Off to the side. Alright, can we make something? Hey, did we catch it? Check this out. In case you can't see shit. We'll do kaboom and kaboom. Combine. Blue trace is the one we're after. Green trace is somebody else. Now, where was it? Yeah? So, where we at? So blue's still broken. Where'd you go, homie? Oh, don't you play with me. That's my dinosaur noises. We just had her. Our squib is, whoa, wait a second. Yep, see? Variables. Is it you, my friend? I don't think so. Look, cuz, I'm gonna need you to brake again. Alright, think we got her. Let's see. Push these in. What do we get? Come here. Come on. You're making me look bad. Bruh. Bruh. There we go. Can we get her? Alright, hell with it. Let's just get this out. It's right there. Watch this. Screenshot. How cool is that? And the only reason why we can actually bring it back down is because we still have the airbag simulator. I like how they actually use gold for the airbag. Get some better fitment in here. Let's check the switchy switch. I cannot see for the life of me. Let's just plug it in. Oh, squat. Yeah, no guys. So I might have to keep playing with it. Or is it somewhere else? That is the question. Needle in a haystack, huh? 14 minutes of me just wiggling wires. I'm not stretching on these super hard. And none of those are actually the airbag ones. Just make sure I don't have anything else stupid. Make sure there's nothing stupid. How do we do that? Come on, do it again. 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 Ah. I just want to get it. Damn it. It's going too fast. Now if I hold it there, we pissed the car off. That's finding the airbag problem in real time with real pain. All right, here we are later on, way later, but I think we got it. So on the screen right now, what you're looking at is the waveform pattern of pin 8 of the steering wheel airbag stage 1 high control. As you see, she's going up to 16 volts. That is not how it's supposed to look. Let me show you what we found here. Hopefully I can make it do it, because it's been being a bear the last few attempts. Yeah. Alright, so when I squeeze this, real quick, so we're looking at graphing. I don't care about how fast the graphing is, because if I do this with this and I get my signal, if it does it, yeah. The fact of the matter is this scope is extremely faster. So there for a second I did have where I would see change in the scope pattern, but not change in the graph in itself. So what I'm doing is I'm actually squeezing the shit out of this wire, because I believe that it's broken. It did. Now I could be wrong, I'm not 100% sure just yet, but I do know that the issue is in the ground. Come on, partner. Okay, found her. Now, broke it did, fix it did. Sorta, kinda, right? Oh my goodness. I will catch you, and I will fix you. Probably not. Yeah, there was something. Now did the graph catch it? It did. So there, we actually have a fixed car. Now I'm gonna let go. And as long as the wire is in that awkward ass position, we got a good spec. And that's how that signal should look. But that right there means the car's fixed for right now. What the hell do you want? You got donuts? You need what? You need a glass of milk? You came to the wrong place. What's up, Bo?
I need a flathead screwdriver for hobbyists.
Sounds like a personal problem. No more SRS. So this is the new one. That's the old one, and we can clearly see a difference in the sight glass. Just an overall, quality build. Here's the new one and the old one. You see a little difference there, and new one. So I was locking it. It's good to go. But yeah, definitely not the same. Cool. We're using the airbag resistor. I want to check this before I put it back together and verify the fact that it's actually fixed. This one was extremely weird. I'm going to assume that inside of this there is a short in the actual connector part of it, because obviously we saw when I moved the wires by hand, we can make the signal, manipulate it, make it jump, all kinds of stuff. How do you condemn this without actually, opening this up and look at it? Obviously they changed something, because we see the new one is different. But yeah, I'll probably pop this open and give it a look and see if I find anything interesting. So if I don't, that's it. This one, pain, 8 miles, but it's fixed.